there is fire on the mountain. Hi, my name is Akosia Safi and this is Teachers on Duty. Now, let's talk about a teacher who has dragged Attorney General, GES and NTC to courts. Stephen Desu, an aggrieved teacher, has taken the NTC, GES, and the Attorney General to court over a proposed deduction from the Professional Develop Allowance. A quick explanation on what CPD or Continuous Professional Development means. Continuous professional development can be broadly defined as any type of learning you undertake which increases your knowledge, understanding, and experiences of a subject, area, or role. So continuous professional developments are sometimes organized in form of workshops where teachers under the employment of GES and teachers under the employment of private schools go for these workshops to help them to be abreast with new ideas, new teaching methodologies, ways of handling their classrooms, etc., etc. But then where does the allowances come in? The allowances are paid by our employer, that is the government. It is paid to us every year. These allowances started its full course around November 2021, where teachers under the employment of GES get a sum of 1,200 and teachers who are not under the employment of GES get 800 cedis respectively. During the workshop, teachers pay the service providers of the workshop and the training with the allowances that has been paid to you by the government. So on Wednesday, 26th of July 2023, there was a crucial CPD meeting that took place involving prominent stakeholders in the education sector. The stakeholders included the union leaders of NAT, NAGRAT and CCT Ghana, alongside representatives from the NTC, that is the National Teaching Council, and GES, that is Ghana Education Service. And they convened to discuss and shape the future of the CPD for educators. Among the reform is a proposed deduction from the Professional Development Allowance, where the teacher union, that is NAT, NAGRAT and CCT, sent a petition to NTC and GES and agreed to the following deductions in their meeting. 150 cedis for 3 national CPD day, 200 cedis for license card, 100 cedis for license renewal, and 50 cedis for registration. This in total is 500 cedis, which will be taken from the professional allowance that comes yearly, which is 1,200. The truth is, many teachers express their disagreements to these deductions, but Desu, who is also a founder of the Innovative Teacher Union, acknowledges the importance of professional development for teachers, but questions the way it is being implemented. He argues that the NTC does not have legal instruments. He also argues that the NTC and GES does not have the legal authority to make these deductions and that the teacher unions do not have the right to authorize deductions on behalf of teachers. He felt they did same during the embattled One Teacher One Laptop project and would continue to take teachers for granted if something drastic is not being done about it. How do you feel about this? How do you feel about it? Honestly, I feel the deductions could have been negotiated better. Like renewal, 100 cedis. I mean, it can go for like 60 Ghana or something. So I think it is a step in the right direction. Well, we live in a democratic system, and if you do not understand something, you have the right to take those who you are in disagreements with to court for better negotiations to come to a good conclusion on how best to resolve this whole issue. I hope they are able to resolve this better, and then better deductions amount is being negotiated so that teachers need to be involved with whatever decision that is being taken by the teacher unions. And teachers have the right to also voice their opinions. Yes, they represent her, but I don't think we were really informed. I don't think we had any say in these deductions. I think that is where the problem is. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think Desu has a strong case to win, or you think it's going to go against him?